I'm going to show you how to fix the error that says there is no application installed for executable files in Ubuntu Linux. As you can see on my screen, when I double click this XAMPP installer file, Ubuntu shows an error message and the installer does not open. This usually happens when the executable permission is disabled for the file. Don't worry, the fix is very easy. First, right click on the installer file, then click on Properties. Now scroll down and look for the option called Executable as Program. As you can see, this option is currently turned off. Simply enable or turn on Executable as Program. After enabling it, close the Properties window. Now double click the installer file again, and as you can see, the XAMPP setup wizard opens successfully. That means the problem has been fixed. If you're getting this error with other files such as AppImage files, Linux installers, XAMPP installers, or other executable files, you can use the same method. Just right click the file, open Properties, and enable Executable as Program. This gives the file permission to run on your system. So that's how you can quickly fix that there is no application installed for executable files error in Ubuntu Linux.